Noswaith da bobol, croeso nôl i'r podlediad. Good evening, folks. Welcome back to the podcast. Rhyddhau 3 ar fechnïaeth, wedi marwolaeth, dyn 50 oed yn Llanelwedd. 3 men released on bail after the death of a 25-year-old man in Llanelwedd. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif chant, pedwar. Series 4 and episode number 344. Achub Yr Iaith. Saving the language. Jumping over to the episode, this page. Heddiw yw dydd Mawrth. Today is Tuesday, sorry. Yr 11 o Orffennaf 2026. The 21st of July 2026. Ac mae hi'n 20 munud wedi 10 yr hwyr. And it is 20 minutes past 10 p.m. Hello, very welcome back. Sorry I haven't been around. Had some concentration issues like we did last week, and then I was away for the weekend and didn't get a lot of sleep. I was at the Session Fawr Folk Festival in Rhyddhau and camping, and it was a bit uncomfortable, so I didn't get a lot of sleep. So I'm back now. I'm restored. I'm alive. It's very good, really good. Yeah, loved it. Mingling with different people. Lots of practice in Welsh. Yeah, lovely crowd, nice people, good community. Not like when I grew up though. It was quite rough round here when I grew up. But yeah, it seemed to be that if you weren't from Wales, they hated you. And if you weren't from the town even, they hated you. In fact, village, no. Street, no. If you weren't from the same house, they hated you. It was rough. No, anyway. That was the past. We don't live in the past, do we? Of course not. Right, that would be a Jeff Rotel mistake. What have we got here? Today's episode is about Gwen, who is Gwenllian Anthony, who's the bass player in Adwaith. I've come across them before. Really good band. Been going for about 10 years or so, a bit more. Doing really well. And she's got a solo career and there's a new single out. So, mae Gwen, sef Gwenllian Anthony, yn ganwr gyfansoddwraig o Gaerfyrddin sydd wedi bod yn un o'r leisiau mwyaf nodedig cerddoriaeth Gymraeg gyfoes dros y 10 diwetha. Gwen, namely Gwenllian Anthony, is a singer-songwriter from Carmarthen who has become one of the most distinctive voices in contemporary Welsh music over the past decade. Yn fwyaf adnabyddus fel aelod o'r band Adwaith, best known as a member of Adwaith, which means reaction, mae hi wedi ennill canmoliaeth am ei chyfansoddi. She has earned widespread recognition for her songwriting, ei llais unigryw a pharodrwydd I arbrofi gyda synau newydd. Distinctive vocals and a willingness to experiment with new sounds. Fel aelod o Adwaith, bu Gwen yn rhan o 3 album a gafodd ganmoliaeth eang. As a member of Adwaith, Gwen was part of 3 albums that were widely praised, gan helpu'r band I ennill nifer o wobrau ac adeiladu cynulleidfa yng Nghymru a thu hwnt. Helping the band to win numerous awards and build an audience in Wales and beyond. Trwy flynyddoedd o deithio, ysgrifennu a pherfformio, datblygodd arddull sy'n cyfuno roc amgen, indie, electronica a dylanwadau arbrofol, heb golli ffocws ar y lawon cryf a geiriau personol. Through years of touring, writing and performing, she developed a style that combines alternative rock, indie, electronica and experimental influences without losing focus on strong melodies and personal lyrics. And then, yn 2026, dechreuodd phennod newydd yn ei gyrfa, drwy Rhyddhau cerddoriaeth o dan yr enw Gwen. In 2026, she began a new chapter in her career by releasing music under the name Gwen. Ei sengl gyntaf, Achub Yr Iaith, oedd y gwaith cyntaf iddi ei ysgrifennu a'i wireddu yn gyfan gwbl ar ei phen ei hun. Her first single, Achub Yr Iaith, Saving the Language, was the first work that she wrote and realised entirely on her own. Cafodd y gân ei ysgrifennu yn ystod taith Ewropeaidd ac yna ei chwblhau yng Ngorllewin Cymru gyda Tim Lewis a'r cynhyrchydd Steffan Pringle. The song was written during a European tour and then completed in West Wales with Tim Lewis and producer Steffan Pringle. Mae Achub Yr Iaith yn ymateb I flynyddoedd o glywed llwyddiant adwaith yn cael ei briodoli I bopeth heb law ei gwaith caled. Save the Language is a response to years of hearing adwaith's success being attributed to everything other than their hard work. Here. Yn hytrach na chanolbwyntio ar Sean Honey. Don't know that word. Yn hytrach na chanolbwyntio ar y Sion Honey, presumably, rather than focusing on that rumour or those rumours, mae'r gân yn dathlu creadigrwydd, annibyniaeth a'r hawl I greu ar delerau rhywun ei hun. The song celebrates creativity, independence and the right to create on one's own terms. Mae hefyd yn mynegu pwysigrwydd y Gymraeg fel iaith fyw sy'n gallu ysbrydoli cerddoriaeth gyfoes. It also expresses the importance of the Welsh language as a living language that can inspire contemporary music. Mae cerddoriaeth Gwen yn cyfuno gitarau trwm, synthesizwyr, rhythmau electronic ac elfennau diwydiannol gyda geiriau sy'n edrych yn onest ar hunaniaeth, creadigrwydd a phrofiadau personol. Gwen's music combines heavy guitar, synthesizers, electronic rhythms and industrial elements with lyrics that look honestly at identity, creativity and personal experiences. Mae gwaith yn dangos dylanwadau sy'n ymestyn o roc amgen ac electronica I gerddoriaeth arbrofol. Her work shows influences that range from alternative rock and electronica to experimental music. Mae gwaith, gan ei greu sain sy'n teimlo'n gyfarwydd ac yn gwbl newydd ar yr un pryd. With lyrics that look honestly No, next bit. Creating a sound that feels familiar and completely new at the same time. Dear me. Right, sorry about that. Wrth ddechrau ei gyrfa unigol, as she begins her solo career, mae Gwen yn adeiladu. Gwen builds ar y profiad a gafodd gyda adwaith, on the experience she gained with reaction. Tra'n datblygu cyfeiriad creadigol cwbl newydd, while developing a completely new creative direction. Mae ei cherddoriaeth yn dangos artist sy'n barod I fentro. Her music shows an artist who is ready to take risks. I herio disgwyliadau, to challenge expectations, ac I greu gwaith sy'n adlewyrchu ei llais ei hun, and to create work that reflects her own voice. Yeah, so a powerful statement. Yeah, creative freedom there, celebration of the language, and a determination to do your own thing, really. That's what I'm about as well at the moment. I'm enjoying my path and where I'm at in life. I'm thinking of joining a choir, and I'm having singing lessons tomorrow. So I want to learn how to sing properly and read and stuff. I've got some music theory under my belt, but I want to do it better. Anyway, yeah. So what else have we got? Apart from all about me. Yeah, so yeah, that's what you're getting now, isn't it? Because it's personal, it's honest. Yeah. Ganwr gyfansoddraig, singer-songwriter, soft mutation of canwr gyfansoddraig. Datblygodd, it developed, past third person singular of datblygu. Phennod, episode, chapter, soft mutation of phennod. Wedi, fulfill, verify, soft mutation of gwireddu. Gyfan, total, whole. Phen, head, end, top. Aspect mutation of pen. Hysgrifennu, write, that's a H on the front, or H prothesis of ysgrifennu, or whatever you want to call, adding a H on the front. Chwblhau, complete, finish, aspect mutation of cwblhau. Ngorllewin, NG at the front, ngorllewin. West, nasal mutation of gorllewin. Briodoli, attribute, ascribe, soft mutation of priodoli. Bopeth, everything, soft mutation of popeth. Chanolbwyntio, concentrate, focus, yes please. Aspect mutation of canolbwyntio. Howl, right or claim. Delerau, terms, soft mutation of telerau. Pwysigrwydd, importance, value, consequence. Synthesizers, plural of synthesizer. Synthesizer. Ventro, risk, venture, dare, hazard, venture, wager. Disgwyliadau, anticipations, expectations. Anticipations and expectations. There you go. Disgwyl is to expect. Disgwyliadau. Disgwyliad is an expectation. Disgwyliad is an expectation. Sorry. Disgwyliadau is the plural. But we don't say disgwyliadau. We never say disgwyliada or disgwyliade. They don't do this I sound. It's just very posh and just formal. But I don't say it like that. News now. Galw am fwy o ddiogelwch, ond sioe fawr wedi lladradau beiciau quad. Call for more security at the big show after quad bike thefts. Gwasanaethau brys yn parhau ymateb I danau gwair ar draws Cymru. Emergency services continue to respond to grass fires across Wales. Gwair can mean grass or hay. Cyhoeddi, strategaidd, fwyd, genedlaethol newydd I Gymru. New National Food Strategy announced for Wales. Dynes ifanc wedi marw o ataliad ar y galon mewn gwyl y môn quest. A young woman died of cardiac arrest at a festival in Anglesey in Quest. Swm sylweddol o arian wedi ei ddwyn o fanc yn Aberhonddu. A significant amount of money has been stolen from a bank in Brecon. And then the lyrics of today's song are written are these. Dewch a mi, hwyl ysbryd, come with me, fun and games. Daliwch ati, da iawn ti. Keep going, well done. Grandewais I a dy eiriau di. I listen to your words. Bwytais I a dy feddwl di. I ate on your mind. Yn ôl I farddoni, canu. Back to poetry, singing. Cyfansoddi, tyfu, canu. Composing, growing, singing. Yn ôl I farddoni, canu. Back to poetry, singing. Cyfansoddi, caru, canu. Composing, loving, singing. Hello everybody and goodbye everybody. Here's the song. Dewch a mi hwyl ysbryd, deliwch ati da iawn ti, gwrandeus I dy eira di, bwytas I dy feddwl di. Dewch a mi hwyl ysbryd, deliwch ati da iawn ti, gwrandeus I dy eira di, bwytas I dy feddwl di. Yn ôl I farddoni, canu. Cyfansoddi, tyfu, canu. Yn ôl I farddoni, canu. Cyfansoddi, canu. Dewch a mi hwyl ysbryd, deliwch ati da iawn ti, gwrandeus I dy eira di, bwytas I dy feddwl di. Dewch a mi hwyl ysbryd, deliwch ati da iawn ti, gwrandeus I dy eira di, bwytas I dy feddwl di.